everyone. Today we are going to make a simple ring toss. Even though it's a little bit simple, what I want to talk about first is what we're really doing a little bit of. So we are going to be engineering. And another way to say that is building something. But the form of engineering is also called the process of creating and building structures. So we're going to make a very simple ring toss using those ideas. Okay, we're going to use a little math and science to do it. And so you're actually going to be an engineer. And we'll use a little bit of math when we go ahead to make a point system to finish up the game. And this activity was chosen by my mom, a volunteer for the 4-H. She thought it was creative. It could provide a little bit of exercise while we're in the home. And it just looked like fun. So we're going to go ahead and make one. And mine is, again, very, very simple. And I didn't do a lot of decorating, just a little. So this, it's a little hard to see, is a ring toss. And these are our rings. So what you will need today, there is a instruction sheet. Okay. You will need paper plates, tape, scissors, rolls of empty towel holders. The bigger the better, usually a paper towel holder. Okay. And some things to do some marking or decorations, some pencils. I'm going to use a big marker. There are some paints in your kits. You will have either some fun glittery paints or you'll have a watercolor paint. And those are for decoration and creativity when you like to go ahead and do that. And I put a fun sticker on mine. So again, however you want to create yours, and again, to get a little exercise in and some fun. So I'll just show you what we do. So go ahead and take your paper plate. And an easy way to make this into a circle is folding it over. I think some people call it a hamburger fold. So you're just going to fold it over. You will see some indentations. Go ahead and cut right on those. Again, all we're doing is making a circle and for it to be the ring on our low budget ring toss. I say low budget, but really it's just meaning hopefully you have things around the home that you can use and or to recycle with, again, these towel holders. Okay, so here's your ring. And you're going to do that with all 4 plates. So I'll just show you one more. Fold it over, cut along the edge and the inside. Okay. And again, all you're doing is creating a circle, just a little bit easier way to do that. Okay. And then you have this you can just set aside. And here's your ring. And you'll do that for all 4 or 5 plates. You will need 1 plate to use as the base. Okay. And then you take your, so you can set these aside and decorate them whenever you choose. Okay. Then you'll take your paper towel holder, the empty, And I found it easier just to go ahead and make a few marks. They don't have to be measured out. Of course you could if you like, but just make a little mark so that you'll be able to kind of just cut on that. You're going to make 4 or 5. A little straighter is better. And then you're going to just go ahead and cut them on your line. I'd say they're about not quite an inch long. Okay. Let's cut them all. Then you're going to fold them up a little bit. Okay. Then put them on your base plate and tape it down. Okay. Scotch tape is fine. If you have something a little stronger or more decorative, you could use that. But, just tape each of those little cut pieces down onto the plate. I have a little hair in mine there, a little dog hair probably. All right, and then you just go ahead and tape that. And you're going to want it to be held on pretty tightly because that's where you're going to toss the rings and try to catch them with this part here. Okay. So that's it. And I'll show you the one that I had done earlier with a larger roll. So here you go. So that's all you need to do to make your ring toss. Okay. So a plate, towel, a little bit of cutting, and then decorate however you want whenever you have a chance. Okay, and what I did was put some numbers on mine so that I can make a game. So I have 5, 10, it's hard to see, but that's what I just wrote the number on them, 15 and 20. So what I decided to do for my particular game was get up to 100 as best I could. So I could throw it as many times as I wanted, or I could just pick a number to count. But really what I think I'm going to do is just toss it as many times as I can that will add up to 100. So if I toss it and I got a number 5, I'm going to write number 5 down on a piece of paper or even the scrap that you have. Okay, so you have 5. Then I was able to, wow, I got 10. So 15. So I have 15 points and I'm going to keep going until I get 100. And if I want to play against a friend, that person can make another one, or you could just have the one and use that point system. Or of course you can come up with any point system of your own that you would like to make a fun, creative ring toss to be able to have a little bit of fun, creativity, and exercise. So again, that was a simple engineering activity, but hopefully it sparks some interest and you might like to build something like that a little later on. Okay, thank you. Have a great day.